Do you want to see reposts on Instagram? You can check reposts on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To see reposts on Instagram, first, open the Play Store or App Store on your mobile device and update your Instagram app to the latest version if an update is available. Once updated, open the Instagram app. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, under your profile and bio, you will see your posts and reels. Along with these tabs, you will also be able to see a Repost tab. Just tap on it. This option is only available if you have already reposted your own or others' posts or reels. Now, you can view, undo repost, and share these to your friends.